Hey guys, so today, just real quick, want to show you how to start up SketchUp for schools and how to make some basic adjustments to modeling. Benefit from modeling before you build is that you waste less materials and you can see how things are going to line up and how they're going to work. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be signed into Google. After that, you're going to open a new tab, and then you're going to come over here to your Google Apps waffle. Click on that. For me, I scroll all the way down to the bottom and SketchUp for Schools is down there. This is the free version for education. Click on it and wait for it to load. Almost there, waiting for it to load. And got it. Okay. So if you're new to SketchUp right here, you'll see a icon that says Start Modeling. Go ahead and click that. For me, since I've been here before, I'm going to click Create New, and I'm going to select feet and inches because we're in America. Okay. Here's our basic SketchUp for Schools screen. Okay, so you're going to see your 3 axis planes. You're going to see your point of origin, and this guy's just there for scale. Over here, I've got my toolbar, and then down here, I've got my measurements. That's really what we need to know for right now. So we're going to make a table, and our tabletop is going to be rectangular. So we're going to click on the rectangle icon, and it's going to give me this little rectangle shadow. Click once and drag to the shape of your rectangle. You can make it as long and as wide as you want, and you can see the dimensions down in the corner down here are showing up. Okay, I'm going to stop clicking. It's going to turn gray, and I'm going to see that I've got 8'7" and 4'11". Okay, and I want a 7 foot by 3 foot table exactly. So before I click on anything else, I can type in 7 apostrophe, and you'll see that show up down here. Then a comma to separate the next dimension, 3 apostrophe, and enter, and that resizes it to exactly 7 by 3. Now this tabletop is only 2-dimensional right now, so we're going to use our push-pull function to make it 3-dimensional. You'll see these blue dots show up, so I'm going to click, and I'm going to raise this up, okay? And that's going to make it 3-dimensional, but I don't want my tabletop to be 1'9", so again, I'm going to select 3, and this time I want inches, so I'm going to use the quotation mark symbol, and then hit enter, and that's going to resize it to 3. Now I want to zoom in, and then I'm going to use the orbit to rotate, click, and rotate so that I can see all 3. It's also really helpful to use this tape measure dimensions tool so that you can mark your layout on here. So select your endpoint, select your other endpoint, and it's going to give you the exact measurement that that piece is. Okay, so then when I'm going to actually build this, I can select it and see exactly what I'm building. Select this one, go to my other 3 foot, mark that. I want my other dimension here, which is 3 inches, drag that across, and there we are. And then I would orbit around and I would put my legs on and my apron on and all of that stuff. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.